Okay, let's go. I know that most people will not spend beyond 1 second on this video because they feel that it is an easy arithmetic to solve. But there is a huge misconception surrounding the solution to this problem. So I want you to sit back, watch this video to the end while I clarify the issues surrounding this simple question. Back then in school, we were told that whenever we want to solve a problem like this, we use the formula, which is the order of operations, board mass. And in this, we have division and multiplication. Back then, we were told to strictly follow this order, that whenever division comes first, we must solve for division before multiplication. Let me use this order as we were strictly warned then. So this will be 5. My division becomes multiplication, and I invert the fraction 5 over 1 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 gives me 125. But you can also recall that in some regions, likewise in some textbooks, instead of board mass, what they use is PEMDAS. And if we are to strictly follow the order of this PEMDAS, what I'm going to do first is the multiplication. So that means that I'm going to have 5 divided by 1 over 5 times 5. So solving for the multiplication first, 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So I'll be left with 5 divided by 1. 5 divided by 1 equals 5. These two solutions are different. However, these are two different approaches that were supposed to give us one particular solution. But as you can see, both solutions are different. So what is the issue? Now, the issue is this. This is the misconception that has been around for a long while, and I have to clarify this. You are not bound to strictly follow this order of division and multiplication. Likewise, addition and subtraction. Division and multiplication are of the same priority. They are of the same significance. So, what you should do is that as we saw from left to right, the operation that comes first should be attended to. Just like this, our division comes first, so we must solve for the division first, just as we did it here. That means that if we are to apply the PEMDAS, we don't go for the multiplication first, because the operation that comes first from left to right, that is what we should attend to with respect to multiplication and division. So using my PEMDAS, what we ought to have done first, it is this division, not necessarily this multiplication, because from my left, division appears first. So using PEMDAS, we would have also solved it in this manner. So take note, such that in the future, don't be strictly bound to following your division before multiplication, but rather the operation that comes first in division and multiplication must be solved first, not necessarily this order. Same thing with addition and subtraction, just as we have it here. Yes. So, if you apply board mass or PEMDAS, as we have it here, addition is coming first in this operation. But I want you to also use that same rule, because addition and subtraction have the same priority. So what really matters, as we saw from left to right, you use the operation that comes first from left to right. So I want you to solve this and put the result in the comment. I also want you to share this video to as many as possible so that we can erase that misconception. It is leading so many persons astray. Thank you, as I expect you to share, like, and make your comments. See you in my next video.